I wasn't able to find much information about this record yet, which, you know, takes me back to the beauty of visiting record stores. Like, record stores have a very, very important role because they are the curator. They are the curators, the diggers, the first layer of filtering and research for music. And when you go and visit a record store, after you start to immerse yourself in this beautiful universe, you will find out that every record store is different. Every record store is specialized in a niche, in a certain genre, in a certain kind of realm of the music universe. And that's why I actually really enjoyed my visit in New York. And 100%, I would say, in this digital era where every purchase, every record is one tap away, one click away, I would say you realize how much and how important is the role of record stores. Records like this, for example, aren't easy to find, and if it wasn't for the hard work of record stores, well, you know, such gems would be probably, yeah, not spinning on this turntable. And it's something that I realized over the years, searching for records, digging for records everywhere, and having someone that truly does that first step of the work for you, it's invaluable. Especially because it goes hand in hand with the experience that a record store owner has, and so he's always able to suggest you, to put in the right direction, to find out, you know, the right selection for you. What I really like when I go to visit a record store is to ask exactly what I'm looking for. Sometimes you find record stores where you like to throw yourself in piles of records and dig and research on your own. But what I tend to do is to go to the store and ask exactly what I'm looking for. I don't know, I'm looking for something with a fat bass, hypnotic rhythms, and maybe something vocal, and I tend to ask what suggestions they have, because there you tap into the work they have already done. It saves you time, but also it makes you discover a different perspective, and that's where the real value is. And that's also when you find maybe local gems, you know, local records or small, you know, productions or limited series production that you probably wouldn't have found anywhere else, or you wouldn't have found online. Maybe they're not even available in the digital world, you know, they're just available on vinyl.